So let's answer a question about StreamDeck profiles. And this question comes in from 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗦𝗢. I believe that's how that's pronounced. Lima says, thanks, Adrian. This was helpful. I'm new to Ecamm. You're a great teacher, so I just subscribed. Thank you. My question is, do you need to set up a different StreamDeck page specific for each separate profile that you create? And also, how do you make your subscribe icon at the bottom of your screen a clickable link right on the screen? Well, the second question I'll answer in the video that I'll link to at the end. But answering the one about StreamDeck profiles, do we create a new StreamDeck profile every time that we set up an Ecamm profile? The answer is yes. So you can see if I come into my live demo mode over here, you can see in Ecamm that I've got a list of different profiles in there. They're grayed out because I can't change between them while we're in. And let me just zoom in a bit. You can see what we've got up there. Yeah, so a ton of different profiles in there. Then over in my StreamDeck, this is the quickest, easiest way to demo it. Look, you can see I've got a ton of different profiles in here as well. So we're at the minute in quick YouTube videos, and you will notice that the profile we're in right now is quick YouTube videos. And you can see that what I'm doing, this is giving me my thumbnail. Sorry, I'm going to be making you all feel a bit seasick with all this moving around. Thumbnail, front, question, title, screen share. So when I clicked on that question, I'm clicking just here. And it went to that scene and brought this up, and then I click back to front and it comes onto here. We're currently clicking live demo mode. So these are specific buttons and they need to be specific to the new profile, else on my StreamDeck it's not quite sure. If I've changed my Ecamm profile, the StreamDeck's going, well, which scene are you looking for? So we do need to create a new one every time. Now, let me just give you a few little tips here, a few ways to make this easier. So once you've got StreamDeck open here, if you, let's come back in a bit. If you click on here, right at the bottom, it says Edit Profiles. And so we're at the minute in, where did it go? My, of course, it's going to be right at the bottom or hard to find. Quick YouTube videos. If I right click, look, I can duplicate this. So I can clone it and make a completely new one. And that's what we're in. So when I then come back out of this and to the top of this window, I select the next one down. Where's it gone? Quick YouTube videos, copy. I'm now in the new profile that I've just made. So I can now quickly alter around the scenes, the buttons in here. And of course, sorry, let's go back down again. Edit profiles while I'm in here. And I'm in my new quick YouTube videos copy. I can just double click and I can type the new name that I want over the top of this. All right. I can also delete it because I don't actually want this. I'm going to end up with a whole load of dummy content on here if I'm not careful. All right, so that's one little tip that you can absolutely, and that's just gone. Let me get my quick YouTube videos back up, else I'm going to be stuck in a minute. So that's one thing that you can do. Another thing that you can do is, and this is a good idea, is to have like a main window, a master StreamDeck up here. And you can see up here that I've actually got a preset, or I've got a button in here. So this is me coming out, you know, I'm not actually working in my office right now. Sorry, I'm not actually making a video. I'm just kind of working in the office. And so I could have this master. I don't properly use this, to be honest, but I like the idea of it. I have like a master StreamDeck button that's here in front of me. It helps me turn the lights on and does different things. But if I suddenly want to go, right, let's do those quick YouTube videos, I press this button here and it will load up the new profile. So you can see on here, it says switch profile, and it's going to go over to Ecamm. Wrong one there. So let me just show you how we do this. So you're bringing in a new button. Let's zoom our way back up here. And down this right side, your order might be a little bit different to this, or windows are closed. The navigation one is what you're after, and you want switch profile, drag it up to here, and we can put a title on it. We'll do that in a sec. Which device? So if you've got multiple Stream Decks, it's asking you which one are you looking at, and what profile do we want it to go to. So let's come to the one that we're in. Hang on a minute. We're already in it. No, we're not. So I'm going to come down here to quick YouTube videos, and it's created this button up here. I want to just put on there quick YouTube videos. And if you don't know about this, you can center it up. You can adjust the font size to it. And what I would do is, if I hit the plus symbol here, I've got, you need to go back to up here to the Stream Deck Marketplace. This is called color matrix areas, and it just means that I can put a colored button underneath this. I think that's much nicer than just the default without having that on. So I've just created a button over here that if I'm on, and I am on my master Stream Deck here, so when I click on my new button, it'll bring me straight back into this profile over here. So I hope that's answered Lima's question. And if you're watching this and this was a question of yours, then hopefully this has helped you out too. If you've got other questions about this, please, why don't you let me know in the comments? These short little series videos are really prompted by the questions that we're getting from you. So hey, you can have the next video from me. Now, I said there was a second question about how we get the subscribe button at the bottom, and we're going to cover that in the next video. So why don't you come over there and watch that one with me, and be sure to check out this playlist because there might be other questions being answered in here that you haven't seen yet. So I look forward to seeing you over there in that video, and in one of these other videos, you could be the star of the show.